Hi, this is Carla Heywood. I'm going to be making a video for you guys today. This is particularly for a client that I developed this WordPress website for, and she wants to be able to make posts on her own as well as change any imagery moving forward. So this is going to be a very specific video to this client's needs. However, I will be making more videos in the future that are going to be more general, just working with WordPress, using particular themes, and so forth. So let's go ahead and dive in. And to start here, this is the website that we're going to be working with. To get onto the back end, to actually be able to make adjustments, we're going to have to log into our WordPress dashboard by going to /wp-admin. From here, we are going to log in with our username and password, and that's going to bring us to our WordPress dashboard here. On the left-hand side, you can see all of the options, all of the things that we can do and make adjustments to. Let's go ahead back to the home page so that you can see the difference and why we needed to log in there. Here you see this toolbar has appeared. And that is going to be, again, on the back end of our website. So if we wanted to, let's say, add a new image to this gallery here on the About page. We do have a photo gallery on this page with all of the images that we've taken over the years. And if you wanted to go ahead and add any new images here, you can go ahead and enable Visual Builder right here. This is the Divi Visual Builder. So go ahead and hit enable. It's going to load up, and we're going to go scroll down to the bottom where our photo gallery is. And here you see there's now the change on this website. There are these colors coming up. We have different options to make adjustments. Okay. So if we go down to the bottom, here is our photo gallery again. We can go ahead and hit the gear icon that is going to be right here. When you hover over it, it's going to pop up, this little guy here. Go ahead and click that. It's going to give us more options for this particular module, okay? And here we can see all of the images that are uploaded to this photo gallery. And to add a new one, we're just gonna scroll to the bottom and hit this gray plus sign here. And on here, we can go ahead and add whatever images that we wanted to. I actually uploaded this image the last take of this video, so we'll just go ahead and work with this one. Go ahead and hit select, and there we are. If you wanted to upload a new image, that's going to be here under upload files, and then you can hit select files. You can pick from your images here. You can also drag and drop them in there as well. So we'll go ahead, we added that image. That's just a picture of a hike I was on at some point in time, but whatever. So let's go ahead and hit the checkbox. That's gonna save that into our photo gallery. And here you're going to see it, where'd it come up? I think this is probably putting it in order of the, probably putting this in order based on the date or the file name. So after we've added our image, you can go ahead and hit the 3 dots here, and we're gonna hit save. So that finalizes our adjustments to the page. We're gonna go ahead and hit exit Visual Builder here. Let's see where my hike is. There it is. So yes, it is in order based off either the file name or maybe the date it was taken or something like that. But there it is. Now, that is how we're going to be able to add images to our photo gallery. If you wanted to change an image on any page, right, we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to hit enable Visual Builder, and let's say you wanted to change the background of this header here. You can go ahead and hit the gear icon, right? Each module, this is a module, this section that's pieced out. This one is in orange here. This is another module in blue, okay? So here we're gonna go ahead and hit the gear icon on this module, and it's going to give us all of the information that is in this module here. You can link something. Here's the background image in particular. If you wanted to change it, it was going to show the same menu. You can either change it to what we've already uploaded to this website at one point in time. You can drag and drop photos here. You can also hit select files to change that background. I'm going to go ahead and leave it. And if we wanted to, let's say, add, we're waiting for that to load. On our cases page, we do see here that we have recovered post. And from our last take, I created this one here, active search. So for you to be able to create something like this, you can either hit this new post button up here and hit post to create a new post, or if you were on the dashboard, let's go ahead back to the dashboard, and you'll be able to see on the left hand side here, posts. You can go and hit that. It's going to bring you to this page here. You can hit add new post. Okay. Again, that one was just a test one. We'll just create another one so you can see. Loading. Sorry, my computer is going crazy. Okay, this will title active search 2, or whoever we would name it, whoever we're actually searching for. We can go ahead and see on the side here, we want to go to categories. This is how we're going to be able to depict the difference between the recovered cases versus the active cases that we are currently searching for. So here you can see we have different categories. I'm going to go ahead and hit active for this one. I created this category last time, but now that it's there, you would just go ahead and hit active or recovered or both, but that doesn't really make any sense. From here, we have decided that it is an active case that we are working on. Here we would be able to add that flyer saying who is missing, or I'll show you what that looks like by showing just adding this one per se. The last time I did Lisa Hayden, but we'll just do this gentleman here. And we'll just go ahead and hit publish. You can add more information on here. Okay, let me do that first, actually. Well, let's publish because, yeah, let's just publish and then we can add more information here in just a second. Okay, so this is now live. Let's go ahead back to our cases page to see what it looks like. So on cases, we now see active search 2. We created another blog post and it has added here to the page. This is what it looks like. And let's have a look at the other ones here with the more information. Active search 2. 8099. We can enable Visual Builder on here. Okay, so this is actually not how we're gonna want to add information onto this page. We're gonna actually edit the post and we're gonna use the default editor. Okay, and that is just for consistency to match the other posts. So let's go ahead and hit edit post. And from here, we're gonna return to default editor, okay? In which here we can go ahead and add any text. This is a test, active search case. And let's go ahead and, I don't know, add an image per se. We can go ahead and upload an image. We can use images that we already have uploaded to the WordPress website here. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. That's an active search case. And let's go ahead and update. Okay, let's go ahead back to our cases page and see what this looks like now. Active search. This is a test search case. Look at that. Let's go ahead and hit on that and see what we have. Here is the text that we just added and the image. You can add your links to whatever articles that have been posted as well. And again, to clarify, because I did make a mistake there, it is not going to be under Enable Visual Builder. For our cases, we are going to edit the post on the default editor, okay? So let's do that one more time. Let's go back to our dashboard here. We're gonna go to post. I'm gonna add, let me just delete these. Okay, we're gonna add a new one. We're gonna do active search, right? And you see we have the option here to choose between the Divi builder or the default editor. Let's use the default editor. We can add whatever text that we want. This is a test case. We can hit the plus sign over here to add an image. Upload media library. We'll just go ahead and go with one that we have. We're gonna set a featured image as the flyer. Over here to the side. We're gonna let it be known that this is active, okay? This is somebody that we're currently searching for, and we're gonna hit publish. Looking good. Let's go back to the page where our cases are, and we should be able to see that case right there. Here we are, active search, our category. And when we click on it, we should see that this is a test and our image. Yes. And you can look at other ones here on the side and so forth. And I think that's gonna be it for this. My client, again, was just interested in making adjustments on her own. As they are a nonprofit, you know, trying to preserve as much funding as possible. So from here, we can just hit log out on the top right-hand corner. If we go back to the website name, it's gonna remove that bar, our toolbar up at the top. That's closing the back end of our website again. And we will still see our test post here. Okay, now that concludes this video. Again, this is just a very quick video, very specific to my client's needs. I will be making more videos that are going to dive into WordPress, website development, and some other things. Yeah, thanks so much for your time. I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one.